you don't have a knife to cut your watermelon, go around the fruit by pressing with a coin, and all you have to do is tap it sharply. If you use this tool, you will be able to trim your herbs very easily. If you don't have a vegetable peeler, the top of a cut plastic bottle can work just fine. If you stick a large toothpick into your onions while lining them up, you can cut them twice as quickly and easily. If you use a comb to guide your knife when cutting a banana, it will be more presentable for your guests. If you save this video, you will finally know the technique for cutting a pepper without the seeds. If your pot becomes too small for your plant and you don't have any other pots, then remove the plant from the pot and cut off a third of the bottom roots. Your plant will have room to breathe again. If you cut a succulent plant in half, you can double it by replanting it. If you cut a small part of the bark off your small tree and put a plastic cup around it with moist soil inside and cover it, your tree will grow twice as fast. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the organic link, then you can pick up my free 100% gardening guide.